All right, this is 7 through 9 on the practice assignment point 6.1. And so on number 7, we just need to find out if they're a right triangle. So remember, that would mean that a squared plus b squared would equal c squared. So we're going to say 6 squared plus 12 squared would equal 13 squared. So 6 squared is 36 plus 12 squared is 144. And 13 squared is 169. So let's see if that works. So 36 plus 144 is 180. So this one, no, it doesn't work. Okay, so then the next one, number 8, we would say 14 squared plus 48 squared equals 50 squared. So 14 squared is 196, and 48 squared is 2304, and 50 squared equals 2500. So if I add 2304 plus 196, I get 2500. So yes, this one does work. And number 10, I would say 10 squared plus 18 squared equals 22 squared. So 10 squared is 100 plus 18 squared is 324, and 22 squared is 424. So that one would not equal, because if we do, well, actually, this one would work, because if we add 100 plus 324, then yes, this one would work, because this would be 424, so that one would work. Number 7, we have 8 squared plus 15 squared equals 17 squared. So 8 squared is 64 plus 15 squared is 225, and 17 squared is 289. So let's see if 64 plus 225 equals 289. It does, so those ones work. And this one, 20 squared plus 21 squared equals 30 squared. So 20 squared, remember, is 400 plus 21 squared is 441. And 30 squared is 900. Those two I can already tell are not going to equal up to 900, so that is no. And then this one, 20 squared plus 21 squared equals 29 squared. So 20 squared again, remember, 400 plus this one, 441, and then equals 29 squared is 841. So I know that I can tell that those two together would be 841. So that one is a yes. Okay, then let's work on number 10. So this one says find the missing measurement, round to the nearest tenth if necessary. So if I have a squared plus 60 squared equals 61 squared, then I need to figure out what 60 squared is 3,600. So I have a squared plus 3,600 equals 3721. So then I need to subtract the 3,600. Sorry, I ran out of room. 3721, subtract 3,600, and that is 121. So it would be a squared equals 121, or the square root of 121, which is 11. So a is 11 on this one. Okay, next, number 11. So I have 30 squared plus 16 squared equals c squared. So 30 squared is 900 plus 16 squared is 256, and that's going to equal c squared. So together these equal 1156 equals c squared. So then I need to take the square root of 1156, which ends up being 34. So C on this one is 34. And that's number 11. And then number 12, I have 5 squared plus b squared equals 11 squared. So 5 squared is 25 plus b squared equals 11 squared is 121. Then I need to subtract the 25, subtract the 25, so I have 121, subtract 25 is 96. So then I have b squared equals 96. So I need to take the square root of 96, which is 9.7, so it'd be 9.8. So my answer is going to be 9.8, and that is number 12 on the practice assignment.